Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about Chapter 6, System Development Life Cycle, or we call it as SDLC. Okay, so ini adalah rupa SDLC. Ada 5 step dalam SDLC. The first one is planning. The last one is maintenance. Okay, what is SDLC? So SDLC is a conceptual model. We use it in the project management that describe the steps involved in an information system development project. So in another words, nak katanya SDLC ni adalah satu model yang mana dalam model ni ada banyak phase dan kita guna untuk project management bila kita nak develop satu project. Okay, so bila kita ada juta-juta projek, tu kan kita nak, okay, kita nak buat projek. Mestilah kita kena ada satu sistem yang sistematik. Macam mana kita nak buat projek tu sampailah berjaya. Okay, so ni adalah beberapa pihak yang akan terlibat dalam SDLC. So we have system analyst, and we have the committee, and we're gonna have the programmers, vendors, and etc. etc. Okay, so again, let's take a look at the steps in SDLC. So every steps ni dia akan ada description dia, very detailed description of what's gonna happen on the each steps. So first we have planning, second step is analysis, then the third one is design, the fourth one is implementations, and the last one is maintenance. Okay, the first step is planning. So in planning, we need to plan all project process and activities in order to ensure project success and to create a comprehensive set of plans. Okay, so apa aktiviti yang terlibat dalam planning is, we have 4. First one is to review project requests. Then we need to prioritize project requests, allocate resources. Then we need to form a project development team. Okay, so what gonna happen is, okay, dalam satu organisasi tu, the organisation will receive a lot of requests. So the steering committee will receive the project requests. Then what will happen is, the committee would evaluate the remaining project requests based on their value to the organization. Then they're gonna approve some projects and reject some others. Okay, so maksudnya komiti akan select lah yang mana projek yang lebih mendatangkan kebaikan kepada organisasi tersebut. So bila dia dah pilih projek tu, we come to the next one, to allocate resources. So the project will get money, people and equipment needed for the project. Okay, so next we have form a project development team for each approved project. So we're done with the planning. Now let's move on to the analysis. So in the analysis, it's the study of project in order to determine of if it's worth pursuing and recommend the solution of the proposed system. So secara ringkasnya, dalam analisis ni kita nak tengok sama ada projek kita tu sesuai tak untuk dijalankan. Okay, so we need to conduct a preliminary investigation, which we also call as feasibility study. So feasibility study ni adalah to determine the exact nature of the problem or improvement and decide whether it is worth pursuing or not. Okay, kalau kita nak buat project, of course we want it to be successful and beneficial to others. So kita kena conduct a feasibility study to see the nature of the problem. Macam tu lah. Okay, so untuk conduct feasibility study ni, dia ada different techniques in data gathering. So kita boleh buat review documentation, observation, survey, interview, research. So macam-macam lah kita boleh buat untuk gather data. Okay, so the next thing we want to do in analysis is we need to perform detailed analysis. Maksudnya sekarang ni kita nak analisis kita lebih mendalam. So what we need to do is study how the current system works, determine the user wants, needs and requirement. Then we gonna recommend a solution by presenting system proposal. Okay, sila abaikan ayat yang dekat bawah tu. Okay, ayat yang tak habis tu sila abaikan. Okay, so system proposal ni boleh jadi in terms of presentations ataupun maybe a report lah. Now let's see the third phase, which is design. So in design, we're going to specify the hardware and system requirements and defining overall system architecture of a new or modified system. Maksudnya adalah, dalam pada design step ni, aktiviti yang kita perlu lakukan adalah we need to acquire necessary hardware and software. So, kalau ada keperluan dari segi hardware dan software, so kita kena dapatkan lah. So, we need to first identify technical specification. Then we need to go and find the vendor proposals, then test and evaluate vendor proposal, then we need to make a decision. Sebagai contohnya adalah, katakan saya nak buat projek weather station. So, saya nak letak satu mini weather station dekat satu tempat dan benda tu boleh bagi tahu saya sama ada hujan ke, panas ke, berapa suhu dan sebagainya lah. So this mini weather station, what I need is both hardware and software. Hardware ni mungkin saya akan perlukan thermometer untuk tengok suhu. Softwarenya mungkin saya perlukan satu software yang membolehkan user tengok data daripada weather station tu. Betul tak? So maksudnya saya kena cari tahu dalam fasa ketiga ni, saya kena cari tahu siapa yang boleh supply saya dengan thermometer. So mungkin saya akan dapat tahu beberapa vendors yang boleh bagi saya apa yang saya perlukan. Tapi saya kena tengok dulu satu-satu yang mana satu vendor yang memberi proposal yang sangat sesuai dengan keperluan saya. Mungkin dari segi bajet dan sebagainya. So, kita masuk kepada aktiviti kedua dalam design, which is detail design. So, dalam detail design, we're going to design the database, then we're going to design the input and output interface, also design the program, and then we're going to use a prototype. So prototype ni a working model of the proposed system lah. So yes, it is like the phase of design. So kebanyakan benda adalah we're going to talk about design at this phase. The fourth one is implementation. So implementation adalah untuk kita construct or build the new or modified system and then deliver it to the user. So, ada 4 activities, which is the first one, develop programs and apps if necessary, then install and test new system, train user, then we're going to convert the old system to the new system. Let's see the first one, develop program and apps. So, also called as program development life cycle. So, at this phase, we're going to produce a custom software. So then next is install and test the new system. Kita dah ada software. So sekarang kita kena test adakah software itu sesuai dengan apa yang kita nak dan boleh berfungsi. So system analyst will test individual programs to avoid error in the system, then to ensure all programs work together in the system. So ada 4 different tests, which the first one is unit test. Unit test is to verify that each individual program or object works by itself. Contohnya weather station tadi kan. So saya akan ada thermometer untuk ukur suhu dan mungkin saya akan ada satu part dalam weather station tu untuk saya ukur isi padu air hujan untuk tengok tahap kelebatan hujan tu. Betul tak? We want to know whether the rain is a heavy rain or just slightly rain kan? So we need to test whether each unit can work by itself. Then we go to the system test. Then we see the programs in overall whether they can work together or not. Then we have integration test. This test is to verify that an application works with other application. So macam contoh weather station tadi, saya nak ada software dan saya nak ada weather station. So saya kena tahu sama ada weather station saya boleh berfungsi dengan software yang saya nak ataupun tidak. Then we have we have acceptance tests to check this new system to ensure that it works with actual data. So, yang ni adalah last kali lah. So, kita nak tengok sama ada kalau kita letak dalam situasi yang betul, boleh tak projek kita berjalan. Katakanlah weather station tadi, at this acceptance test, we're gonna try and see in real weather dia boleh work ataupun tak. Okay, so after that, after we do all the testing, we're gonna need to train the user. Okay, so katakanlah saya buat weather station tu untuk Jabatan Meteorologi. So, saya kena tahu user dia dekat sini adalah Jabatan Meteorologi lah kan. So, macam mana saya nak train adalah either we're gonna have one-on-one session or classroom style lecture or web-based session. So, ada banyak cara lah kita nak train user because the one who made the project is not really the one that you gonna use it. So, the one that use it need to know how to handle the system. Okay, then the last one is to convert to new system. So, dia ada different type of conversion lah. First one, we have direct conversion. Di mana user gonna stop using the old system and begin using the new system on a certain date. So, kita pilih certain tarikh. Okay, kata okay, kita nak tukar. Sistem lama tak pakai, sistem baru kita akan pakai sepenuhnya. So, that one is direct conversion. Okay, the second one is parallel conversion. Okay, parallel conversion ni they consist of running the old system alongside the new system for a specified time. Okay, so maksudnya dia old system akan run in parallel with the new system. Sebab kadang-kadang kita tak boleh replace the old system sangat instantly macam direct conversion kan. So we need this one. Next one, you have phase conversion, where each site converts at a separate time. Larger systems that have multiple sites often use the phase conversion. So, dalam conversion yang ni, kita cuba nak implement each site tu at a separate time lah. Okay, alright. Now, let's look at the fourth one, pilot conversion. So, in pilot conversion, only one location in the organization use the new system so that it can be tested. After the pilot site approve the new system, other site convert using one of the other conversion strategy. Okay, last one. Finally, we have maintenance. Okay, so maintenance is to provide ongoing assistance for an information system and its user after the system is implemented. This is to ensure the information system is fully functional and performs optimally until the system reach its end of life. So, dekat dalam fasa ni, kita cuba nak buat maintenance lah basically. So, antara aktiviti yang kita boleh perform adalah first one is perform maintenance activities where we need to fix errors and maybe improve the system operations time by time. Then, we're going to have monitor system performance. So, bila system dah masuk dalam organisation, we still need to monitor the system performance. So, this is to determine whether the system is inefficient or unstable at any point. Okay, last one is access system security. So, bila sistem dah ada dalam organisation, we need to ensure the system security works well lah to protect the information's assets of the organisation. Okay, itu sahaja daripada saya. Sekian, terima kasih untuk topik ini. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.